and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I'm having a look at a Matchbox moving parts Porsche 718 Spyder RS 2024. I think this will be my first 718 in my collection of Hot Wheels and or Matchbox. So saw this at my local grocery store and I figured I will actually pick that up. So I am collecting a lot of the Porsche 164 scale. Have a quick look. Not much else on there I don't think that people haven't already seen. So I'm going to make this nice and short. I don't keep these sealed. I don't want to keep the packaging for later. Obviously it looks like the door's open, which for playability is great. I'm only going to be displaying this, but two wheels on the other side to push through. Okay, that's a little bit tight. There we go. And we're out. Okay. Nice shiny blue. Got the Porsche logo at the front. Headlights done. Almost looks like that front part comes up, but it's only going to be the doors, I believe. Got a grey lip around from the side underneath. It looks like the same plastic that the seats are made of. And underneath it is. Alright, let's have a quick look at this while we're here. 2024 Porsche 718 Spyder RS. Would be nice to see this come out as a standard Porsche even without the doors opening, but since this is what it can do. Bit of a grey interior, just the plastic. Obviously nothing else painted in there. The seats, they're the same grey, even though on my camera it looks very dark. There we go, that lighting. Hey, it's actually not too bad. Nice bit of my cardboard there. Rear end, RS on there, Porsche underneath the lip. Back tailpipes are nothing but the grey moulded. Wheels are quite suitable for this. I don't think I'll wheel change this. Maybe if I picked up another one I may want to, but kind of like that. So I'm going to put that on a quick turntable and have a look at it. And thank you very much for watching. Short video. Cheers. Bye.